Imagine a time before Google Maps, before satellites, when the world was still largely a mystery. In 1531, French mathematician and cartographer Oronce Fine crafted a map. This was no ordinary map. Fine's creation offered a new perspective on the world, shaped by the latest scientific knowledge and the allure of the unknown. Fine was a mathematician, astronomer, and inventor. His 1531 map, a woodcut print, reveals a world on the cusp of discovery, blending art and science, observation and imagination. The Oronce Fine Map invites us to journey back in time, exploring the world through Renaissance eyes, reminding us that our understanding of the world is constantly evolving. One of the most striking features of Fine's map is the presence of a vast southern landmass. This landmass, labeled Terra Australis, dominates the lower half of the map. It stretches across the bottom of the globe, a mysterious continent shrouded in speculation and wonder. The concept of Terra Australis, a vast southern continent, was not new in Fine's time. It had roots in ancient Greek thought. The idea was based on the belief that the Earth needed a large landmass in the south to balance the weight of the continents in the north. This belief, though ultimately proven incorrect, held sway for centuries. Fine's depiction of Terra Australis is a fascinating blend of fact and fantasy. While the continent itself was a product of speculation, its inclusion reflects the prevailing geographical theories of the time. It speaks to the human desire to fill in the blanks on the map, to imagine what might lie beyond the horizon. The influence of Claudius Ptolemy, a 2nd century Roman mathematician and astronomer, is evident in Fine's map. Ptolemy's work, particularly his book Geographia, had a profound impact on Renaissance cartography. His system of latitude and longitude, along with his world map, provided a framework for understanding the Earth. Fine's map incorporates elements of Ptolemy's geographical system. The use of a grid system, albeit with some modifications, reflects Ptolemy's influence. However, Fine's map also departs from Ptolemy's model in significant ways. This reflects the evolving understanding of the world in the Renaissance. The inclusion of Terra Australis, a concept absent in Ptolemy's work, is one such departure. This shows how Renaissance cartographers were willing to adapt and modify ancient knowledge in light of new discoveries and theories. The Oronce Fine Map is a testament to the dynamic interplay between tradition and innovation during this period. Fine's map is notable not only for its content, but also for its form. The map utilizes a cordiform projection, a heart-shaped projection that was relatively new in the 16th century. This projection, developed by Johannes Werner, offered a fresh way to represent the spherical Earth on a flat surface. The cordiform projection has a distinctive aesthetic appeal. It distorts the shapes of landmasses, particularly towards the edges of the map, but it preserves the relative areas of different regions. This made it a suitable choice for depicting a world where the true shapes of continents were still being determined. Fine's choice of projection highlights his awareness of the latest advances in cartography. It also reflects his artistic sensibility. The heart-shaped map, with its graceful curves, is both visually appealing and scientifically informed. It embodies the Renaissance ideal of uniting beauty and knowledge. Welcome to Section 5, A Familiar Continent, Europe in Exquisite Detail. While Terra Australis might capture the imagination, it is Europe that takes center stage on Fine's map. Europe is depicted with a level of accuracy and detail that surpasses many earlier maps. Coastlines are carefully drawn, and major rivers and mountain ranges are clearly marked. The accuracy of Fine's depiction of Europe reflects the growing knowledge of this region in the 16th century. Exploration and trade had led to a more precise understanding of European geography. Maps were becoming increasingly important tools for navigation, commerce, and political administration. Fine's detailed rendering of Europe highlights the growing interconnectedness of the continent. It also reflects the map's intended audience. As a French cartographer, Fine was likely catering to a European audience eager for accurate representations of their own region. Now let's move on to Section 6, Beyond the Known Speculative Geography and the Lure of the Unknown. While Europe is depicted with relative accuracy, other parts of the world on Fine's map reflect the more speculative nature of geographical knowledge in the 16th century. North America, for example, is represented in a rudimentary form. The continent's shape is distorted and its interior is largely blank. The Indian Ocean, too, is a realm of both knowledge and speculation on Fine's map. While the coastlines of Africa and Asia are relatively well defined, the vast expanse of the ocean is dotted with islands, some real and some imagined. This reflects the ongoing exploration and discovery taking place in this region. Fine's map captures the sense of wonder and uncertainty that characterize the age of exploration. It is a reminder that maps are not static representations of the world, but rather evolving documents that reflect our changing understanding of our planet. And finally, we arrive at Section 7. More than just lines, artistic flourishes, and cultural insights. The Oronce Fine Map is not merely a scientific document, it is also a work of art. The map is adorned with elaborate illustrations, including depictions of ships, sea monsters, and exotic animals. These artistic flourishes add a layer of visual interest and cultural significance to the map. The illustrations on Fine's map serve multiple purposes. They provide glimpses into the flora and fauna that Europeans imagined inhabiting distant lands. They also reflect the artistic conventions of the Renaissance, with their emphasis on detail, symbolism, and allegory. The inclusion of these artistic elements highlights the fact that maps were not purely objective representations of the world in the 16th century. They were also cultural artifacts, shaped by the beliefs, values, and aesthetic sensibilities of their creators. Section 8, a window into the past, unveiling the geographical knowledge of the Renaissance. The Oronce Fine Map provides valuable insights into the state of geographical knowledge in the early 16th century. It reveals a world in transition, a world where ancient theories were being challenged by new discoveries and where the lure of the unknown spurred further exploration. The map's depiction of Terra Australis, while ultimately inaccurate, reflects the enduring influence of classical thought on Renaissance geography. The detailed rendering of Europe highlights the growing importance of accurate maps for navigation, commerce, and political power. The Oronce Fine Map is a testament to the spirit of inquiry that characterized the Renaissance. It is a reminder that our understanding of the world is constantly evolving, shaped by both the tools we use and the ideas we inherit. Section 9. Where art meets science, the Oronce Fine Map as a Renaissance masterpiece. The Oronce Fine Map embodies the Renaissance ideal of uniting art and science. The Oronce Fine Map is both a scientifically informed representation of the world and a visually stunning work of art. The map's cordiform projection, its detailed illustrations, and its blend of fact and speculation all contribute to its unique character. Fine's map reflects the Renaissance belief that beauty and knowledge were intertwined. It is a reminder that the pursuit of scientific understanding can be enhanced by artistic expression. The map's enduring appeal lies in its ability to engage both our intellect and our imagination. The Oronce Fine Map stands as a testament to the creative ferment of the Renaissance. It is a product of a time when the boundaries between disciplines were fluid and when the pursuit of knowledge was seen as an inherently creative endeavor. Section 10. The enduring myth, Terra Australis, and its impact on exploration. The concept of Terra Australis, so prominently displayed on Fine's map, had a lasting impact on exploration and cartography. The belief in a vast southern continent persisted for centuries, fueling expeditions and shaping the maps that guided them. Explorers like Ferdinand Magellan and James Cook embarked on voyages with the hope of finding Terra Australis. While they did not find the massive continent depicted on Fine's map, their voyages led to the discovery of new lands and contributed to a more accurate understanding of the world's geography. The legacy of Terra Australis is a reminder that even incorrect theories can have a profound impact on human endeavor. The search for this mythical continent drove exploration and led to significant geographical discoveries. It is a testament to the power of ideas to shape the course of history. Section 11. A cartographic legacy, the enduring significance of Oronce Fine's vision. The Oronce Fine Map of 1531 is more than just a historical artifact, it is a window into a pivotal moment in human history. The map's blend of scientific accuracy and artistic flourishes captures the spirit of the Renaissance. Fine's map reminds us that maps reflect the cultures and society